And here we are with Jonathan MHONDOROHUMA, just outside of Harare in Zimbabwe. Brought to you by Utonga Gallery, www.utonga.com. Jonathan's in the process of finishing a large piece, probably about 5 foot tall. And the piece has been sculpted and shaped. He's now rasping it to get the surface a lot smoother. Tidying it up a bit with a chisel. Jonathan, what's the title of this piece?
See no evil, hear no evil.
See no evil, hear no evil.
Talk no evil, and do no evil.
See no evil, hear no evil. Wait, let's get the... See no evil. No, hear no evil.
Hear no evil. Speak no evil.
Speak no evil.
And see no evil.
See no evil.
Do no evil.
And do no evil.
Yeah.
Excellent. And here we have Jonathan's assistant, and this is what we call washing the piece. The piece is, for all intents and purposes, is complete, and we're now wet sanding. Once the wet sanding is complete, the piece will be heated and wax applied. Once the wax is applied, then it's left to dry, and we just see the piece. And this is a book reader. So once the wax is applied, it's left to dry and then buffed out, and that gives the stone a good shine that we see in the finished product. Jonathan's been around a long time and is an exceptionally talented sculptor. As you can see, very labor-intensive operation to produce one of these sculptures from Zimbabwe. All right, Jonathan, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Good to see you.
Wonderful.